pre-order. So I do want to show you how you can set up the coming soon pre-order next. So this is basically just means you're building up a bit of excitement about a product that might be coming soon to your collection. So you can, once again, we can click on custom settings and we can go to coming soon and we can turn this on. We are actually just going to turn off the pre-order one for now, and we're just going to have coming soon on its own. Again, you can change the button text. You can go and change the message. So you've got dropping on, and then you've got the available date. So you can go and choose the date. So we're just going to choose any date in the future, and then you can go and choose the date format, and then you've got placement of date. So we're going to have it below the coming soon button, or you can go and put it above the coming soon button. So once you have done that, again, you can go and hit apply. And now again, if we click on the eye icon, we can have a look at what that looks like. So now we can see we've got that coming soon button and it says dropping on this date. So again, if you're launching a new product, this is a really great way to build up excitement for a product, or if you've got a product that you've been working on ready to launch, but it's been taking some time to perfect it, you can always go and put that on a coming soon page as well. Now I will show you how you can change the styling of your buttons in a moment so that they match the rest of your store. But the next thing I do want to show you is